Now in this another example of precedence and associativity, we have got an expression C is equal to A modulus 3 multiplied by 10 divided by B. The value of A is 10, that of B is 5. See, all these three operators, that is modulus, multiplication and division, they have got the same level of precedence. As you know, all the operators which have got the same level of precedence, their order of execution is decided by associativity, and the associativity in case of these three operators is left to right. That means whichever operator will appear first from the left side will be evaluated first. So A modulus 3 will be evaluated first. As we know, the value of A is 10, and that of after dividing A with 10 we would be getting the remainder as 1, because if we divide 10 with 3 we are going to get the remainder as 1, and then 1 will be multiplied by 10. The sub expression output would be 10. Then we will divide it with 5 because value of B is 5. So 10 divided by 5 will give you 2. So output would be 2. Now in this second example, what we are going to do is, we have got three variables, namely A, B, C. Value of A is 10, that of B is 5, that of C is 100, and we have declared another variable, fourth variable, D. Now we are going to evaluate this expression A is less than 20 or B is greater than 2 and C is not equal to 100. Now the precedence of AND operator, this is AND operator that we have already discussed in one of our previous lectures, which is also called conjunction operator. As you know, both the conditions should be true in order to have the full evaluation as true. But in this case, the first condition, which is B greater than 2, happens to be true because value of B is 5, but the second condition C is not equal to 100 is false. Why? Because the value of C is 100. So this part is going to return false. So we will go to the other side of the OR operator, which is A less than 20. Now this condition is true because the value of A is 10. So that means one part of the OR operator has turned out to be true. So as you know, if any one part of the OR operator comes out to be true, the overall evaluation is considered to be true. So the D would be containing 1. 1 means true. So when we will print the value of D, it would be 1. Now this is nothing else but a simple chart of precedence and associativity. I have written this chart in the descending order of precedence. That means the operators that I have written first, they have got the higher precedence, and as we go down the chart, the precedence keeps decreasing. So there is nothing to be told about these operators because you are well versed with all these operators. You will just have to keep a look on this table whenever you are going to evaluate any expression.